Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for coming here. I first met Amir sir 3 years back when I was doing Kanitif Punna song with him. And everybody said, first time I saw him in the corner rehearsing for the song, everybody said, he's a angry young man of Tamil industry, don't talk to him. I said, okay, okay, fine, I will do my job and go back. What do I have to do with him? Fine. Then I had to rehearse with him, so everybody said, don't look at him and rehearse. He's a very angry young man. He gets angry very soon and he doesn't talk to anybody. I said, okay. Then I started rehearsing with him and there was one step where he had to tap me here. Twice I did with him and he did not tap me here. So I did not know the cue. So third time I looked at him and I said, are you scared of me? Then that was the first reaction with Amir sir which I had. And I can't thank him enough to give me this opportunity to stand right in front of you and talk to all of you. The whole credit goes to Amir sir that today I'm standing in front of you. Adi Bhagwan is very, very close to my heart because of course, the long period which we have taken to shoot the film. Because Amir sir always said that creativity and art doesn't have time foundation. And with every film he does, he proves it. And I hope this one also is liked by all of you and accepted by everyone. In this journey I have learned a lot. To be patient, yes, it's one of the things, and I've changed as a personality. Going through and meeting everybody from Tamil industry. People have changed, cameramans have changed, spot boys have changed, light people have changed, assistant directors have changed. Only 4 people who were not changing was Amir sir, Jem Ravi, the producer and me. And of course the music director. The second thing I would just say is about Jem Ravi. Everybody said he's a chocolate boy of Tamil industry, he's a chocolate boy of Tamil industry, and I started working with him. But I really don't agree with that after working with him. I think he's a macho action hero of the industry, of Tamil industry, and I would have seen him doing action in Adi Bhagwan, and I think everybody is going to accept him as a macho action guy, plus the chocolate hero image which he had. I loved working with Ravi because he's very positive. He stood by me in my really bad times of my language and a lot of things. Very good co-actor, very good actor, I must say that. And all these things could not have happened without the producer. So the best producer I have ever worked with is Anbalam sir, who's right here. We have gone through ups and downs in this project, all of you know that. So I'm really thankful to the camera, the DOP of the film, also who stood by us all the time. Everybody would say a lot of things. I just said my experience that I would want all of you to come and see what is a different image of us, Ravi and me, which Amir, through Amir's eyes. Because I think, for me, whatever 9-10 films I've done in Hindi and 2-3 in Telugu and 3 in Tamil, I think this is going to be my best film. And a different character which I would never, could never do. And all the credit goes to Amir Sultan. So thank you, all of you. Thank you, Nikhil, for doing all this for all of us. Thank you so much.